Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I am here with another OwlCrate. So I know I'm gonna get this question, so I'm just gonna address it. The things that I have on my lips, it's a combination of 3 older color pops. So the outside purple is the Amanda Steele color pop Chaps. Then in the middle, I started off with Petifor. And then I blended it out. Ironically, I blended it out with Upside Down, which is like this peachy matte color. Bruh. You saw a closer look of it if you follow me on Instagram because I put it on my Insta stories. But yeah, kind of obsessed with this look right now. So we're going to jump into this box. So I don't have anything to actually open this box today. So, all right. Awesome. Okay, so let's get the spoiler card out. The theme this month was Storms and Seas. So, Storms and Seas. And I'm going to go with the smaller thing first. So, the first thing in this is, it's from Riddle's Tea Shop. It is called Sea Witch. It's decaf, Earl Grey, and hazelnut spice. So I've actually never been a huge fan of Earl Grey, but I'm interested to see what this tastes like because of the hazelnut. Do I want to open it and see what the smell is? Yeah. It's got like it's a cute little pouch anyway. Come on, open please. I pulled the tab, okay, I pulled the tab off, but I didn't pull it evenly. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, it actually smells like fall. I would love a candle like that. Am I getting a touch of mint? Okay, so it has Salem tea, cinnamon, orange, natural vanilla flavor, cocoa nibs, marigold flowers, hazelnut flavor, oh, that's the bergamot that I smell. Okay, I'm willing to try it. I do like that it came in a little pack instead of a big one. So, yay, tea and not coffee. So the next thing is this, and it sounds like it's going all over the place. So before I read the box, because the box always tells you what it is. Oh, that's cute. It's like a tea candle thing. Except did mine break off? I think mine broke. So I'm going to have to email them. But I don't think it's supposed to come off at the top. Because there's a little piece right here to take it off the bottom. So I actually think mine is broken. Hold on. Yeah, I actually think mine is broken. I might try to hot glue it back. But yeah, mine is definitely broken. It's definitely bent right there. So it won't stay on completely. But that is adorable. Like, that fits into my fall decor theme for my living room. So when we finally get to that fall equinox, I might do a clean with me on a video so you guys can see me reposition my house. But yeah, it is. It's basically a tea light candle lantern. There we go. So the next thing is this, and it looks like it's a pen case, and y'all know my stationery loving self. I'm totally here. Oh, it's a 10 pen case. Okay, so it opens like this, and then is it 2 layers? It's 2 layers. Okay, so this reminds me of the ones that I used to get from the 100 yen store when I lived in Japan. And, oh, that's cute. So it just sits back in like this. And then it's actually really pretty. It's like, it's blue and it's got gold designs on it. It's really pretty. So the next thing is The Little Mermaid by the Soup Librarian Bath Salts. Okay. So it has salt, chamomile, lemongrass, orange peel, lavender, rose, hibiscus, and fragrance. So I actually really like bath salts. I do prefer or because it has salts in it, I'm hoping that that's Epsom salts, but oh, I gotta stop inhaling stuff that's been closed up for a while. Ooh, that fragrance is strong. It's a nice, I actually like the fragrance. It's just that it was really intense when you first took it out the thing. So, I mean, bath salts, okay, I guess that fits the theme. I've never heard of the soap librarian, but I do kind of want to check her out now. But yeah, the Little Mermaid. Does Little Mermaid really smell like this stuff? I don't know. We'll figure it out. So we got another wooden bookmark by Juniper and Ivy Designs. They did the really pretty Game of Thrones one a couple boxes back. So, oh wait, I think honestly, I know people might not do this, but I actually have I used this one as a bookmark as well. I just laminate it, but let's see, we're gonna get the camera to try to focus. So it's a wooden bookmark. It has this teal tassel, and then it says some really cool stuff on it. So that's what it looks like. It says, "The sea watches over me. She protects her own." This might be a Sea Witch reference from Sarah Henning. I think that's what it is, because I feel like that's very familiar, but I'm not really sure. So the next thing is the pen, and it is, what is it? It's designed by Laser Brain Patch Co. It's basically just a badge, and it has a lighthouse, a trident, and like octopus. So is this Sea Witch Rising? Was I right? Because everything is pointing to Sea Witch Rising. So come on, camera, focus. It's okay. It's definitely not one of my favorite pens they've released so far. So the book of the month is, the book of the month is House of Salt and Sorrows by Aaron A. Craig. I've actually never heard of this book, but it has a really pretty thing on the back of it, so I'm trying to open it so I can show you guys. So it has this, which technically can be used as a bookmark. It's just real thick. It says, "Be careful who you dance with," and it's got like an octopus and a mask on it. And then it says, "In a manor by the sea, one by one, 12 sisters are cursed. Who will be next?" So obviously that has something to do with the book, but I do like this little print thing. So we have another print, and it says, "Once there were 12 of us," and it's a letter from Aaron, which honestly, guys, I never read. But this is what the cover looks like. Let's see if there's anything in the dust jacket. The book itself is kind of beat up in the dust jacket, but it just got a little octopus on it. So let's see what the heck this book is at. Ooh, heh. That's pretty though. That's gorgeous. Okay. It's got a lot of octopus on here. There are octopus everywhere, so let's see. It says, "Annalee lives a sheltered life at Highmore, a manor by the sea, with her sisters and their father and stepmother. Once there were 12, but loneliness fills the grand halls now that 4 of the girls' lives have been cut short. Each death was more tragic than the last. The plague, a plummeting fall, a drowning, a slippery plunge, and there are whispers throughout the surrounding village that the family is cursed by the gods. Disturbed by a series of ghostly visions, Annalee becomes increasingly suspicious that her sisters' deaths were no accidents. The girls have been sneaking out every night to attend glittering balls, dancing until dawn in silk gowns and shimmering slippers, and Annalee isn't sure whether to try to stop them or join their forbidden tryst. Because who or what are they really dancing with? When Annalee's involvement with the mysterious stranger who has secrets of his own intensifies, it's a race to unravel the darkness that has fallen over her family before it claims her next." Okay. Interesting. Okay, so I thought it was like Little Mermaid vibes, but they very well misleaded me. I'm not sure how I feel about this book. But these kind of books, the ones that have like a little bit of mystery from the very beginning, they keep me into them because they create a suspense before I even read the book. So it's like, I do want to know, like, does she die? Do more sisters die before she dies? Like, See, I'm already interested. So, awesome. We're going to add this to my OwlCrate TBR shelf because I still haven't read a lot of OwlCrate books. So, that was everything. So, let's see. Okay, the wooden tassel bookmark was inspired by the daughter of the Pirate King, which I haven't read yet. It's on my TBR actually to read. The tin pencil case is inspired by the Scorpio races, which I've never heard of. Go figure. Okay, so obviously the tea was inspired by Sea Witch. Okay. Okay, so I'm not dumb. That was only 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. That was 5 items. Okay, before including the pen. With the pen, it's 6 items. But I do need to write OwlCrate about the lantern because I think mine is broken and I do want a working lantern. So, yeah. Let's see. The cover. Okay, so the original cover is dark. I've noticed that a lot of the pirate, sea, witch, ocean books lately, the ones that have been coming out, they've all been this ugly, dark, gray-green thing. So I actually really like the cover. I like that we've added some color back into the sea because it's not all dark and dreary, girl. Like, it's not. So, the theme for next month, which is what I'm dying to see, Fear the Night. Okay, obviously because we're getting close to Halloween. So each September box will include a paperback book from the Penguin Horror Collection. Ooh. So does that mean I get like an old school, like Edgar Allan Poe level scary book? Or, we're going to have to wait and see. My lipstick is, the lipstick is old, apparently, because my lips are not liking it. It says, next month's box is The Light of Frights, perfect for this time of year. Our book pick for the month is a very unique and atmospheric tale involving a grave digger, map maker, and the undead. It's not a horror novel, but it's definitely creepy and will get you in the mood for October. We'll be including a gorgeous exclusive edition, which is signed by the author. You can also expect a bunch of awesome goodies inspired by classic scary stories and more. Okay, awesome. Like, I'm just excited because next month we get 2 books. So, was this box my favorite? Not at all. I kind of felt like it was lackluster, to be 100% honest with you guys. It was like I was kind of bored by the box. But I do like the fact that I have basically 3 new bookmarks. I was not a big fan of the pen. I'm sorry if my audio was jacked up there. I didn't realize I had covered my phone. But yeah, I would like to know, what did you guys like about the box? What didn't you like about the box? If you guys have never had an OwlCrate box and you're curious about getting one, I have a link down below. No, I'm not sponsored. I would love to be sponsored by OwlCrate. But if you use that link, it gets me a free box, just like everybody else who would share the link with their friends. And we're friends, yeah? So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. And until the next time, guys. Bye.